Hi, how are you? Let's draw a very nice scenery and starting from drawing a house. So this is the basic design of a house, which is triangular in shape, and you can see the very basic form. Okay, and few outlines with the sign pen you can see here. Okay, the doors and the windows on the side. So two sides and one on the top. Let's put the color orange for some other parts. Awesome. So on the side of that house, let's draw another one, and you can see, okay, as you can see from the top, so that's why you can have a very nice view. Awesome. Okay, putting the windows here. All right, another window here, and this is the roof. Awesome. Just putting a border here, you can see the border. So this is just standing on top a big arch, or you can see the mount. All right, so just putting some graphics for the taller highland. We can use some crayons or the oil pastel just to show the nice graphics here. Okay, just use your fingertips to mix up the color very nicely within the whole canvas. All right, here we're putting the outlines, and you can see on the top some taller trees behind the house, you can see, which is a little bit pointy. Okay, so just putting the graphics for the trees here. After putting that one, we're going to put some shades like the soft green shades for the trees. Awesome. Okay, so for the houses, let's put a little bit orange color, and the border area here, just making another border and putting the dark outlines. Okay, so this is the basic texture. All right, so some other parts we're going to put the blue color. So let's put the blue color here. And here you can see the blue coming from the top and flowing in the bottom. So this is just floating on top of a water body. So putting the water with the crayons, and you can see the whole picture. getting very nice. And for the sky, we are just putting the soft blue on the top, and it's getting faded as it's coming towards the house. So using the fingertips and making the color looks nice. Awesome. So this is the border in a far distance. Okay, within the sign pane, we're just putting some outlines of the distance houses. And let's put the color green. Okay, and the taller trees in a far distance. So two of those in this side, and one here. Awesome. And this blue, we are going to mix it up. Okay, so looks like the water falling from the top. Just putting some graphics. Okay, all right, here you can see a boat and the reflections of the boat here. All right, and few reflections of the water you can see on top of it. Birds are flying in the sky. Very simple scenery, but you have to work for the details so that it looks more nice. Okay, so these are the final touch before I close the drawings here. Okay, all right, so the whole thing you can see very nice. And for few contours up here, we're providing a little bit more darker color. Okay, in some portions. Awesome. And these are the few outlines. All right, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in our next videos. Have a good day.